Hello, my wonderful kids. Welcome back to my channel. Very good morning to you all. Today we are going to see class 3 mathematics, lesson number 6, House of Hundreds. Okay, so this chapter we already completed the part 1 video. So if you haven't seen the part 1 video, please click the above link, watch the part 1 video, and then come back for part 2 video. Okay, so we have already completed these on part 1 video. So let's go back directly to part 2 video today, okay? So these pages already completed in part 1 video, and this lesson is a very important lesson, okay? So counting hundreds. So we will go directly to this page, okay? So we have completed up to page number 71 in part 1. Alright, so now let's see. Teji and Jojo are hungry after all the running around. They go to sweet stall. So the fruit shop, I'm sorry, the sweet shop. The sweet shop name is Faro's Chacha Sweet Shop. Okay, so he is Faro's Chacha, and see here we have Teji and Jojo. Okay, and they are very eager to watch the sweets. Let's see. We have few question and answer based on this sweet shop. Okay, so we have Mysore Pak and laddus. Here are the laddus, and we have the dokla. So let's see the first question. How many pieces of Mysore Pak are there in one tray? So how many pieces of Mysore Pak are there in one tray? Okay, when you look at these trays, in one tray we are having 100 Mysore Paks. See here, they have given 100 Mysore Paks in one tray. So how many Mysore Paks are there in one tray? We have 100. But when you look on the top one, the first tray, we have few Mysore Parks has already sold out. So we only have leftovers, okay? So in one row we have 10. Let's see, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each row we have 10 Mysore Parks, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows, 4 complete rows, which is 40, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So 40 plus 5 is 45. So on the first box we have 45. Okay. So in full box there are 100 Mysore Parks, and on the top box we have few Mysore Parks which is already been stolen. So someone has already bought these Mysore Parks. So the leftover is 45. Okay. So next question. How many pieces of Mysore Pak are there in total? So in this full box we have 45. On the top box we have 45, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes. So each box we have 100. So 100 into 4, which is 400. So 400 plus this 45. So 400 plus 45 is 445. So the total Mysore Pak is 445. Okay. So very simple. Okay, next question. How many laddus does Chacha have in the trays? So they are asking trays, not tray. Trays means the entire tray. So how many laddus are there in entire tray? So here in bottom we have 4 trays, which is equal to 400, because in one tray we have 100 laddus. So 4 tray, it is 400 plus the top one. So the top one, we see few of the laddus are already been sold out. Okay, let's count how many laddus are the balance. Okay, so I'm going to zoom this out. So make sure that you can able to see the entire laddu. One minute. I'm going to zoom this out. No, I'm unable to zoom this out. It is not zooming out. Okay, so let's count as it is. Okay, so let's see how many rows are there first. So we have going to change the pen color to be little clear. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 full rows, which is 60, because we already know in one row we have 10 laddus. So 10 into 6 is 60. And on the next row, if you see, one laddu is missing. Here we have a missing laddu in this place. So one laddu is missing. So 10 minus 1 is 9. You can also cross check by counting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 laddus. So 400 plus 60 plus 9, which is 469. Okay. So we got 469 laddus. Okay. So the next question. How many doklas does Chacha have? So how many doklas does Chacha have? So let's count the doklas. So here we have 400 doklas. In the bottom boxes we have 400 plus the rows we will see we have the entire row, right? So there's no missing doklas here. So there is entire row. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have totally 7 rows. So 7 into 10. 7 into 10 is 70. So 400 plus 70 is 470. So 470 is the answer. Okay. So next, Chacha is going to fill the tray with more laddus. So what he is going to do is, he is going to fill the tray with more laddus. How many laddus will make the tray full? Okay. So this tray, he is having only 69 laddus, right? So how many laddus still he needs to make this tray full? So we have to minus 100. So 100 minus 69. So 100 minus 69, which is 31. Okay. So we need 31 more laddu to complete this entire tray. Okay. So we need to minus 100. 100 minus 69 is 31. Okay. So the next question. How many laddus will he have after the last tray is full? So after the last tray is full. So once he filled all these laddus, once he added the 31 laddus. So for example, he is adding 31 laddus here. This tray will be full, right? Full means 100 laddus will be there. So we will get 100 laddus. Correct? So once we get 100 laddus, how many laddus will be there in total? So first tray 100, second tray 100, third tray 100, fourth tray 100, fifth tray 100. So we have 5 trays. 5 into 100 is 500. So totally we will get 500 laddus. Clear? Okay, next. So mark the following number on the lines and below. So we have to mark the number. So 423, 4787, 438, 476. So here we have to complete the number. So we have given with 413, 423, 433, 443, 453, 463, 473, 483, 493, and what will be the next number. So after, so if you see, there is 10 numbers difference in each number. So after 493, so now what we have to do is we have to add 10 here. So 493 plus 10, which is 503. Okay, very simple question. All right. So the next one. TJ and Jojo saw a big apartment. Okay, they saw a big apartment. See the rows here. Top hundreds home. Okay. Find the house numbers of the shaded houses without counting. Share your strategy. So here these are the rows, and one floor above is 105 is 115. So here see, they have given 1, 2, 3. They are starting from the first row. from 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, and here from 13 they went directly to 113. Okay, so 113 is 10 above the 13th floor. So 10 above the 13th floor. So if you want to go to 124, what you will do here, for example, from 13 if you want to go to this place 124. So this is the 14th floor. 124 is 10 floor above the 14th floor. Okay. So this is very very simple. You can do, this is your class activity. Okay, you can do with your friends and your teacher will explain. Maybe she can bring you a cardboard and she'll explain you much better. Okay, this is a very very simple class activity. Okay, for example, if you want to go to this shade also, you can count the number of floors and jump directly to that floor. Okay, as we discussed this one, right? For 124, this is the same one. Okay, let me do this row for you so it will be easy for your better understanding. Okay, so this is just one above 10. So here we have 3, 13. So obviously we'll get 23. This one is 24, 25, 26, and 27. Okay, easy one. Let's do the next one. Arvind Dada has delivered sweets from Farouz Chacha shop to different house. Color the houses to which he has delivered the sweets. The number of the house numbers. Okay, what happened? Arvind Dada has to deliver sweets from Farouz Chacha. He is going to deliver the sweets to different houses, and the house numbers are given here. So we have 209, 228, 242, 258, 267, 276, 290, 315, 346, 367, 389, and 395. So we have to shade the exact number. Okay, it is starting exactly from 201 and we have 301. So we have to count the correct number and fill the answer. Okay, so let's shade this out. I'm going to do first up to 267. Okay, rest you can do it. This is easy. This is not your exam question, children. This is for your counting activity. This is like your class activity. Okay, so let's take a color. Okay, first one is 209. So this one is 209. Very easy. They have already given. Okay, I'm shading 209. Okay, the next number is 228. So which is 228? So here 212 is there. So here 220. Right? This one is 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, and this is 228. This one is 228. You can also write the number 228. Okay. So the next one is 242. So 242 they have already given this one, the easy one. I'm going to highlight this one, 242. The next one is 258. So 258. So till here we will get 250. So this one is 258. If you mark here it's 260. So minus, if you minus 2 from 260 is 258, right? So it's 258. Okay. The next one is 267. So this one is 267. So 267. 7. Okay. Okay, the next one. Write the floor and column number for each of the following houses. Okay. Now we need to write the floor and the column. House number 13. So where is house number 13? So we can go back to this one. So here we have house number 13 and this is around first floor. It is in first floor, column number 3. So here we have to find, okay, let's see the house number 13, floor, first floor, column 3. Okay, this one is the ground floor. So we have this one, the first row, this one is the ground floor. Okay, and this one is the first floor. So house number 13 is on the first floor. On which row? 1, 2, 3, third row. So that's what they have written here. It's on the first floor, column 3. Likewise, we have to find 67. So 67 is on which floor? So for that, you have to fill all these boxes to find the same. So let's do it. So 20, after 20, we will get 21. This one is 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 20, I'm sorry, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. This one is 28, 29, and this one is 30. So here one, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 45 to 50 here. So this one 51 to 60. So you can fill this over, okay? So this one is 61 to 70. So here we need to find out the door number 67, right? So 67 is on which floor? So we are getting 67 here. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So here we'll get 67, which is on column number 7. On which floor? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, this is the first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth floor, sixth floor. So sixth floor, 7, seventh column. So likewise you have to do for all these. This is a very simple question and easy as well, okay? So you can just count all these numbers and try to write the answer. See here 106 is already given here. So 106 is already given. So you can easily write the answer. So this one is very easy. Okay, this one is also not your exam question. This you can do it for counting numbers and practice. Okay. So the next one. Arvind Dada packs sweets in box of 100, tens and packs of loose sweets. So hundreds, we have a symbol here H, hundreds, and tens T we have, and for loose we have ones, that is O. Okay, the number of sweets in every house is the same as the house number. Okay, so here we have 211. So how many hundreds are there? We have, I think we have to write 100. Let me rub this out. Okay, let me write this answer for this question. Going to reduce the screen size to make sure. Okay, so here we have given with 309. So how many hundreds are here? So we have 300. So 3H plus how many tens? We have 0 tens. So 0 tens plus 9 ones. Oh. Okay. So what is the answer? How we have to count? We have count 300 plus 0 plus 9. So 300 plus 0 plus 9 is 309. Very easy. Okay, likewise here 275. How many hundreds we have? So we have 200. So 2h plus how many tens we have? 7 tens. 7 tens. And how many ones we have? 5 ones. So 5 O. So this is not 0, this is O. Okay. So which is 200 plus 70 plus 5. So 200 plus 70 plus 5 is 275. Okay, the next one is 423. So 423. So how many hundreds we have? We have 400 plus how many tens? We have 2 tens plus 3 ones. Easy, right? So 400 plus 20 plus 3. So 400 plus 20 plus 3 is 423. Okay, likewise here in this question we have 3 hundreds, 6 tens and 5 ones. So 300 plus 60 plus 5 is 365. The next one again 300 plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. So 300 plus 40 plus 3 is 343. Clear? So the next one we have 458. Same, we have 400, 5 tens, 8 ones, which is 400 plus 50 plus 8. So 400 plus 50 plus 8 is 458. Okay. So this is very simple question, and this is your exam question. Okay. This is very important for your exam, and this is your exam question. Okay. So the next one, spring leap homes. Okay, this is a spring leap homes. So they are starting from 401 and it's ending up to 500. Okay, we have few numbers missing here. So now write the house numbers of yellow and pink houses. Okay, now we have to write the houses of yellow and pink houses. Okay, so let's write here. So we have 401. So here 410 it's ending. So this is 411 and this one is 412. Okay, 412 and this one is 423. This one is 434, 444, 456. So 467. So this one is 478. So this one is 489. This one is 500. This is your mind calculation, okay? Because this row is starting with 412. So after that we will get 412. After 411 it's 412. And this row it's going to start with 420. So after 20 it's 21. Sorry, this one is 420. So here it's starting with 421. So after 421 it's 422 and 423. Likewise, you have to calculate for each row and write the answer. Okay, this one is also a very simple question. Okay, and this one you have to do it. I have already completed the pink ones, and please try writing the yellow ones. I can do this row for you. Okay, this one is 410. This is 419. This one is 428. Okay, likewise this one is 437, 34, 35, 36, 37. So this one is 437. Okay, so likewise you have to fill this answer. Okay, very easy. Write the pattern you see in the number, these number. So what is the pattern we see in this number? So we have to write the pattern. So what is the pattern for this? If you see the pattern, the numbers are increasing by 9. So that is the pattern. So when you add this one, if you are adding this one, 1, so this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one is ending with 9. Again, if you add this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? So the pattern is adding 9. Okay? So the next one. Aravind Dada wants to pack small box of 10 in big box of 100. So in small boxes he want to arrange 10 sweets and in big box he want to arrange 100 sweets. Okay. So how many boxes of 10 he can fit in boxes of 100? So how many 10 in boxes of 50 in boxes of 100 he can arrange? Okay, that is the question. So they have already clearly given small boxes of 10 in big boxes of 100. So very easy. So how many boxes he can arrange? That is 10 boxes. Correct? Because in big box we can arrange up to 100. So small box we can arrange up to 10, right? So 10 divided by 100 is, I'm sorry, 100 divided by 10 is 10, right? So you can calculate very easily. So how many boxes of 10 he can fit into two boxes of 100? So this is also very easy again, 20. 20 boxes of hundreds. Okay. So how many boxes of 10 he can fit into 4 boxes of 100? 40. So this is your exam question, children. So this is very, very important. Okay, and simple as well. It's not so difficult. It is very, very simple. Okay, the next one. How many boxes of 10 will he find if he opens how many boxes of 100? So if he opens how box of 100, how many tens will be there? Obviously 10 tens will be there, right? Because in the first question also they asked the same question. How many boxes of 10 he can fit in boxes of 100? So if we open the box of 100, how many small boxes he can find? He can find 10 small boxes. Okay. The next question. 1 minute. So the next question, number hunt. Okay. So write the numbers between 200 and 300 that have 5 digits. 5 as a digit is 245 one such number. Write the other numbers. So this one is your exam question, important as well. Okay. So they are asking to write the number between 200 and 300 that have 5 as a digit. So we can write 205, 215, 225, 235, 245, 255, 265, 275, 285, 295. So we wrote the next one is 305, which is greater than 300. So we are going to stop in 295. The question is 245 in what's one such number? Yes, we found 245. So yes, so the answer is yes. Yes, 245 is one such number. Okay, the next one is let's play. This is your class activity, children. It's like a game kind of activity. Do you remember this game? Let's play it again. We will record the action in the table. Below one is done for you, like clap, clap, snap, tap, and number. So for hundreds, if you clap 2 times, you have to mark that as 200. Tens is snap. If you do only one time, it is 10. Then ones pat, it's 1. Okay, for example, if I am clapping once I am clapping 1, which is 100. And if I am doing snap once, that is tens. And if I am doing pat once, which is 1. So 100, 110 and 1 ones, which is 111 is the answer. Okay, this game you can play with your classmates. Okay, easy one only. Okay, the next one. Let us compare who has more laddus as shown using the sign more or less appropriately. So this one, this is a greater than symbol, and this one or less than symbol. Okay, greater than or less than symbol they have given. So now compare. Now compare 231 and 231.3 hundreds are more than 2 hundreds. Do the digital in the number matter here? So 231 is more than 331. That is obviously correct, right? So here we have 1, 2, 3, which is 300. And here we have two tens, right? And one ones. So here we have 300 plus 20 plus 1. So 300 plus 20 plus 1 is 321. Here we have two hundreds and three tens, two hundreds and 1. So 200 plus 30 plus 1 is 231. So which is greater? Obviously this one is greater. Okay. And this one, which is greater, 209 or 290? So which one is greater? 290 is greater. So likewise we have to compare and write the answer. So this one, 199 is greater or 201 is greater? So 201 is greater. Okay. The next one, 285 is greater or 275 is greater? 285 is greater. Okay, now they are asking how much is less than. 199 is dash than 201. So 199 is dash than 201. So we need to write the answer as less than. Less than. Okay. And this one, 285 is greater than. Greater than 275. Okay, this question important, greater than, lesser than, it's very important question for your exam. Okay, and when I create sample paper also, I'll make sure I'll give lot of questions for practice. Okay, don't worry. The next one here, think and match the following. Okay, so 325 is more than 220, sorry, 325 is more than 235 because 325 has 300s and 225 has 200s. Yes, that is the correct one. So they did a match here. Okay, the next one, 235 is less than 523 because here, let's see, 235 has 200s and 535 has 500. So this one is the answer. Okay. So 157 is more than 153 because 157 is more than 153 because 157 and 153 both have hundreds and 5 tens each and 7 ones, and this one has 3 ones. You understood, right? 7 is greater than 3. So this one is the answer. 329 and 399. So this one, if you see the 10th digit, it is greater than. So here we have 10th digit 20. Here we have 10th digit as 90. So this one is the correct answer. Okay, the next one, 432 is more than 433. So this one here, again the 10th digit. Here we have 30s, here we have 20s. So 30s is obviously the greater. So 110 is more than 11 because see 110 has 100 and 11 has 0 100. So here we only have tens and ones, right? There is no hundreds place. So this one is the correct answer. Okay. So now we will have to find out the smallest number in each row. Okay. So let's see the hundreds place, which is the hundreds place here. We have 300 and we have 400 also. We have to leave this 400 because those are greater number. So let's compare these 300. So 374 and 347. So the 10th place here we have 7 tens and here we have only 4 tens. So this one is the smallest one. Okay. So the next one we will see, we have 200, we have 100 and we have 300 and this one is 400, right? So this one is the smallest number which is only having 100. The others numbers are having greater than 100, right? So the next one is circle the greatest number. So this one I'm going to do, and the second thing please do it by your own because this one is very very easy. Okay. So all the numbers are starting with 4, so which is equal. So we will check the 10th digit now. So 10th we have 60s here, we have 30s and this one also 30s and this one is 40s and this one is 80. So the 10th row is 80. So this one is the greatest one, 483. Okay. So the next one, make 3-digit number using 3, 2, 4 without repeating any digit. Color the greatest number with red, smallest number with yellow. Okay, now we will write any 3-digit number without repeating any digit. Okay, make any 3-digit number. So we will write 792. So what we have to do is we have to find the greatest number with red. So let's highlight the greatest number with red. So this one is the greatest number and smallest number with yellow. So 2 is the smallest number. So I'm just highlighting with this yellow color. Okay. So the next one, now make 3-digit number using 3, 2, 4. Where you, okay, I think we have to use only these 3 numbers. Okay, when you write, you use only these numbers 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So now make 3-digit number using 2, 3, 4. Okay, and repeat the digits. Okay. So we will write the number 432. Color the greatest with red again and the smallest number with yellow. Okay, easy one. So this one, the last one, arrange the following number is from biggest to smallest and arrange the following numbers from biggest to smallest. From the first one is smallest to biggest and biggest to smallest. So this one is very very easy. So I'm going to do the smallest to biggest and you have to do the biggest to smallest. Okay. So smallest to biggest. So we have 99. There is no hundreds in 99. So obviously that is the first smallest number. Next we have 100. So 110. Let's see if you have any numbers in 200. Yes. 207 is there. Do you have anything in 300? Yes. 389. The next one is 456. So this is smallest to biggest number. Okay. So the next one, arrange the following number from biggest to smallest. So please do it by your own. This is going to be very very easy. All right. And this question is also important question for your exam. Okay. So now we have completed this lesson, children. I hope everything is understandable. I have given my email address on the description. If you have any questions, please do send me an email. And I'm replying for all the emails which I am receiving. But in case if I missed any emails, do send me an email again. For sure, I'll send a sample paper for your practice. Okay. So if you have any doubts, do ping me and let me know. All right. I will be available only through emails. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you a big smiley to all my students. So you all going to have a wonderful day, okay? Let me give you a big smile. Okay, take care and be safe, all right? Bye bye.